Presenting Redmi 11 Prime smartphone. It is available in Peppy purple, flashy black, and playful green color variants. You can choose between 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM and 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM variants depending on your usage. Storage can be expanded up to 512GB with a dedicated SD card slot. It supports dual 4G nano SIM. Designed with 16.71cm Full HD Plus adaptive sync display, featuring 90Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio to bring out immersive picture quality. Let us look at the 50-megapixel AI triple camera setup with 2-megapixel depth sensor, and 2-megapixel macro camera and 8-megapixel front camera to ensure flawless photography. The powerful MediaTek Helio G99 6nm octa-core processor ensures excellent gaming and smooth day-to-day performance. Moving on to the 22.5 watts Type-C fast charger that comes in the box, which powers the massive 5000 mAh battery. The box includes Redmi 11 Prime, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case and screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.